Hey art nerds! Today we're doing a tutorial on how to paint a blue sky. So you're going to want to grab a cup of water, a paper towel, your flat or filbert, your watercolor paper, and in this case we are using Strathmore 400 series cellulose base watercolor paper, and your paints. For the sky we're painting in our tutorial today, you're going to want a warm blue. I recommend you either use Soho Urban Blue Violet, which is a very warm blue, a cerulean blue, or a lapis lazuli blue. So, painting a sky, especially a blue sky with no clouds in it, is a very simple task. One of the first things you can do is you can apply some clean water to the bottom of your illustration. The reason we're doing that is this is going to help facilitate blending, especially on cellulose papers like this one, which is going to be quick to dry. We're also going to grab some of our blue, and you might want to use a palette. We're using a non-porous craft mat here. And we're just going to work our way down into that water. You can decide to get rid of all the speckles if you so desire. I am not attempting to get rid of them, but if they disappear, that's fine too. As you can see, as the blue hits the water, it starts to dissipate and fade out. And with skies, you want your darker color at the top because the sky is a bit like a bowl, and all of the darkest color is going to be at the top, at least when it comes to blue skies. Now, I'm going to grab a little bit more. And we're going to work that in and down as well, working wet into wet. We're going to let the color dissipate downward. That's why we've got an eraser underneath. Sort of helps prop it up. And then we're going to grab even more dark blue. And again, at the top, just going to keep building up color and working our way down, trying to work wet into wet as much as possible, because that's going to make our job of clean and easy blends a lot easier. Grab some more dark blue, mix it in. Do the same with that as well. So really, this is just a gradation tutorial with a specific focus. Alright, so we have got our basic blue sky. It's still very wet. While it's wet, let's say you want some clouds. So we're going to use a paper towel. You can also use cotton swabs if you like, and we're just dabbing out some color, lifting out some color with our paper towel. And this is a very, very easy technique that really doesn't require whole lot of skill to get right. So this is perfect if you're still kind of learning. And you want to do this while the paper is wet, because it allows you to lift. If you wait for it to dry, you're going to have to lift using other methods. And I'm just using plain old Viva paper towels here. I like these because they have a low amount of texture to them, so you're not going to get some weird waffle pattern on your watercolor. You could also use a sponge or a rag, and you might want texture in other types of lifting situations. Okay, I think that's all we're going to be able to get from that. Already our clouds are looking really good and really cloud-like. So I'm going to give this a chance to dry, and then we might or might not opt to paint in some shadows. I'm already pretty pleased with how they look though, so I may opt to just leave it as is. Alright my dears, so it looks like it has dried. Did kip up a little bit, that's to be expected. And I think I'm going to sketch in a few shadows using the same blue. And depending on how you hold your brush, you can get a variety of marks. And I want a very fine line, so I'm kind of kipping my brush over so that only the edge is touching. And I'm going to also blend out using just a little bit of water. And hopefully this won't dry so super quick that I can't do that. Just soften some of those shadows there. And then I think this is a little much up here, so I'm actually going to lift some of that out. Just using same paper towel. So all of those are very easy, very what is it, where you can easily replicable techniques to make a very basic blue sky. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful, useful, and informative. If you did, tell your friends. And I hope you will check out some of my other wonderful watercolor tutorials that are in my Watercolor Basics series at natosoup.blogspot.com and in my watercolor playlist. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys will get to painting. Bye guys!